Nano babo kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out. For today's vlog, we were invited by Brettos. If you are from Angeles City, Mabalacat, San Fernando, for sure, you have heard Brettos, no? So they have been in the industry for a while, more than a decade actually. So ang gagawin natin ngayon guys, we are gonna taste, of course, mga dishes nila dito sa the Pavilion Mall, dito sa Clark. But before that, let's go to their Angeles branch and let's have a taste of their cold cuts, cheese. Yeah, let's go there, tara.
Hi, I'm Austin De Rosario. Been in the butchery services for about more than 5 years. I've been in Brettos for 2.5 years. I already know the cheeses already, the meat. Just tell me what are you going to cook and then I'm tell you what do you need.
Pinakamahal na
Cheese namin.
How much, sir?
3,500 per
And then you
kilo.
call it
Blue Stilton.
Stilton Mini pa yan.
Maliit pa to ha?
Hindi pa yung
Laki.
S.
Sa European cheese. Magugustuhan mo yan.
Dry nga siya.
Dry siya. And nutty, right?
So right after it melts, parang naging grainy.
Yeah.
Yaman ha?
Yeah. Here,
How much yung per gram niya? Yan.
220 per 100 gram.
Per 100 grams.
But before we had more expensive than that.
Like how much?
9,500 per kilo. Before we had this, the Bavarian ham. They call it pata negra. Medyo...
Brother Steven.
And try, yan yung malambot na siya. Hindi pa yung...
So for this entire slab, how much is it?
15,000. 15,000.
For this one. For this one. Okay, next. Sige bro. Salami. Ano tikman mo?
Ham po.
Ham.
Masarap. Sobra.
Medyo, kita rin, medyo familiar yung lasa kaya katama mo na. Tan chorizo da. Medyo maasim na maanghang na. Pause muna tayo sa mga tutorials and taste testing ni Sir Austin para pumunta naman tayo sa restaurant nila sa The Pavilion Mall, Clark Air Base. Dito, matitikman natin ang kanilang mga international dishes and coffee. Sir Joey, what do we have on our
Here
table?
is our Submarino Original Chicken Cordon Bleu. This one is Egg Benedict. This one is also buko, sir.
Osobuco.
This
Okay.
one is Pizza Margarita, sir. This one is Australian breakfast.
What do we have on our plate?
Sausage, hash brown, bacon, eggs, and toaster. This one is roast beef, sir.
This is a roast beef.
Yes, sandwich, sir.
Okay, this is the one that we had last
Yes,
time,
sir.
right? My wife liked it.
Okay. Bretto Special Burger, sir.
This is the Brettos special burger.
Yes, sir.
How long
1
is-
pound, sir.
Okay, this one is the
Peno Regale Spinach Alfredo, sir.
spinach alfredo. Okay,
And this one is
lastly,
Brazilian tenderloin, sir.
Brazilian tenderloin. Dito sa Clark branch nila, bukod sa mga inihanda nilang masasarap na pagkain, available din ang mga samut-saring imported cheese and goods. Marami ding mga high quality and choice cuts na frozen meat.
Mga bread namin, daily baked fresh.
Daily bake.
Yeah. We discard the bread the next day. Talagang everyday fresh. Before we had the coding, the color of the day, but now it's all fresh. These are baguette and then the sourdough.
Sourdough.
Yeah, sourdough. You can
Usually for soup.
Yeah, cream soup.
Yes.
Mushroom, cinnamon.
Cinnamon, all-time favorite, of course.
Yeah, cinnamon. And what we call this? The pretzel bread.
Pretzel, but those are huge.
Yeah, huge.
You can cut them in half.
Yep.
and then you put some cream cheese on it.
Yep.
And then a little bit smoked salmon. It's really delicatous. Really beautiful. Yeah.
Here we bake our own banana cake, our pies.
Pie.
Yeah. And then also we make it here.
Okay.
We have 3 kinds of it. Actually 4 now. The beef, the chicken,
okay.
the kidney, and the sausage rolls.
You said kidney?
Kidney.
Oh.
We use the lamb kidney.
Lamb kidney.
So it's much more tastier.
How much is it? Nano yung memorable yung kanetang kay? Cheese. Can you still remember?
Remember.
Di ako siguro akalimutan ko lang you. As in, sobrang... I mean, first encounter tayo. Pero nanong migtatak kaya kayo kanitang kay?
Hindi ako siguro itang last, itang walang sugot niya. Itang last, itang 3K per kilo.
Yep.
Panyaman niya, pero ano niya aftertaste. Pero solid yung cheese.
Ikaw?
Ito din, kasi foreign lang ang lasa eh. Ako sanay makakalasang makanta. Pero nag-enjoy na ako man kasi makanta na pala lasa rin. Kakaganda makanta. Hindi ko lang paalasan, hindi ko lang pa-try.
Fast forward kay Clark branch, what can you say about the place?
The place, typical restaurant niya, pero yung fooding solid. Walang pizza na, typical pizza. Pero aliyan, atin yung maliwang substance yung
Really?
recipe din.
Really?
Diba?
May enjoy kayo ng pizza?
Favorite kayo ng pizza.
Of all the sinerve na? Okay. Ikaw?
Ako din, ang pizza din.
Really?
Paborito ko.
Wow! Okay, pamahata ka wala, oh.
Take out na.
Actually, alike tikman kasi not a pizza guy ko. Kumbaga parang nakapaniglon ko lang ang ating saksa. So, ikit yun na din. Itang oso buko. Yan talagang tinikman mo. Ako mag-enjoy ito. Mag-enjoy ko kanita kasi sobrang niyakalasa itang kain. So,
Kaliwaya din ng cheese na
di ba? So, I mean, would you go here for probably a date or?
I would go.
Really?
Bring my friends here. Solid.
Perfect yan din pang family kapag mo rin family.
For those of you who are, kumbaga, a bit hesitant, nalitan mo wala ko ita ka ng viewers naman. So they are also available by orders and delivery and pickups. Mga yan. So just call the numbers we're gonna be providing. Yeah, enjoy the food that we have enjoyed. Sobrang solid. Ito, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Lalong-lalo na if you are looking for those, those cheese, those cold cuts, and of course, the food that you saw here, nung mag-crave ka kareta, guys.
Steak, they have steak.
Exactly. So please, tag that person you want to enjoy and share the experience with that person. Make sure to tag them. So thanks so much, Steven. Thanks so much, Lourdes, for invite. So more of these kinds of collaboration kay katamong group sa Pampanga content creators, and thanks so much for watching. For those who have watched, and this is a little bit long kaya ang usual tamong story, pero it's worth it. Grabe. So thank you so much for watching. Until our next discovery. Peace out, guys. Bye.